Hello, dear students. Today we will do activity 2 of the poem Noses. Last time we did new words and some rhyming words. Today we will read this poem. Noses. If you see a nose of anyone, so it is different. Poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If you ever want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In this poem, child focuses on nose and he finds it a funny part of body, part of face. He says, I looked at my nose in the mirror. It is the funniest thing. It grows where it is stuck. It has two holes for breathing. It fills the gap between chin and start of my hair. It is like a handle stuck there. And there is no space left on the face. If you want to laugh loudly and shout also, you just look in the mirror at once. Then you will realize how funny your nose is. In this poem, we find some new words. Giggle as giggle, G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. Giggle is to laugh like a silly person. A special way of laughing. Here you see the boy is giggling in a special way. Laugh with slow sound, but nice laughing by heart. So it is giggling. Mirror you see at your home. Whenever we go to school or in the party, we check ourselves how do we look. So it is a looking glass. Here you can see it is a beautiful mirror, artistic mirror it is. Funniest, full of fun. Very much fun. It's a funny picture how one monkey is whispering and another monkey is listening. So funny and funniest picture we find. And spellings of new words: mirror, M-I-R-R-O-R, funny, funnier, and funniest. Superlative degree. Breathing, B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, breathing. We exhale, inhale through our nose, that is breathing. Sticking, being fixed, S-T-I-C-K-I-N-G, sticking. Giggle, a laugh. Okay, thank you.